Oh man, we got barbecue on Cap Malheureux Beach under the tree.
Awesome. In the sea.
And yes, you can get a beer. Oh man, here we go with the chicken and some fish. But it looks like it's pudding time, bananas. Awesome.
And this is Sandrine's barbecue on the go, looking absolutely amazing. Those whole fish. Look at the size of them.
Finis tout ça. Ouais.
This happens every weekend.
Yeah, just on Sunday.
Just on Sunday. Yeah. You come down here, barbecue. Do you have to have a reservation?
You can reserve.
Get a reservation because look how full it is. And you look at the views. Oh man, Cap Malheureux. And I'm just going to spin you around because there's the Red Roof Church. Oh, chicken and fish. Oh man, look at this. It's like a tartar sauce, a bit of salad, of course. Oh, and some sausage. It's awesome. I mean, this whole atmosphere, they got the music, all the tables, everyone's eating. I mean,
Coin de beer.
going out. It's just so cool that this is a restaurant.
Oh, he's flying in.
This is something you don't see.
They're little fishies, I don't know if you can see them. Check out the little fishies. And people sitting with their feet in the water. You can probably get like a... Fishies come and nibble your feet. How cool is that?
And yes, you can get a beer. Wow, that's impressive.
Yeah, so we are right next to the Red Roof Church. You can still hear the music playing. But look at this tree. Flamboyant is being super flamboyant. Bonjour. Ah, no, it's okay, thank you. No, thanks. Magnificent.
What is pretty cool is like you can request and come and sing if you want.
And like every French person can sing like amazing.
I know, they're all Edith Piaf.
Or Jacques Brel.
But it looks like so much fun.
It is so much fun.
It's messy.
With the trophy.
Oh, man, it's such a perfect day for it. Nice and cool, Rick. Oh man, standing in the water. Guess where we are? Wait for it. Oh man, it just never stops. Hungry people need feeding. And look at this garlic bread. Oh, that's a nice looking garlic bread. This is something you have to do for the song.
Up to a point. Wild out there.
We got a table. And we got some new friends. It's Ricky, right? That's the ocean. Practically got your feet in the ocean, Rick.
This is where I'm sitting.
Yeah. The water is literally lapping at her feet.
Have fun.
We even got a piece of lemon. Oh man. On the beach, I'm not even sure what type of fish this is.
A slice of.
A slice of fish.
And now you're going to eat it now.
No.
Yes, yes. Going. Oh, it's good. It's nice.
Oh, it's
Lovely,
really good.
Wonderful.
I'm not sure if it's the setting or the fish, but it's wonderful.
C'est du fish.
Oh. Just gonna bite it.
Oh, lovely sauce.
It is a great sauce. It's very creamy. But it's also, I think it's more about that. It's such a festive feeling here. Oh, this is so cool. We got a rubber dinghy and skiing behind it. That is so awesome. Ricky and I were just talking. Okay, she's got her mouth full now. But this is like a beach party. What we need much more of these in Mauritius. You got all the people dancing, you got the music, everyone dancing in the water. Awesome, guys. And swimming, and it's not deep, it is just what Mauritius should be in summer. From Sandrine, from the Cas Sandrine. She does it here as well. And Claudio's her
Brother, yeah, family business. Brilliant, absolutely
They're
brilliant.
taking over Cap Malheureux the way it should be. This is how
Next
Mauritius
stop, they need to go get Grand Bay, Grand Bourg, every beach near you.
Yeah, we just need more Sandrines and Claudios.
Seriously been one of the most surreal afternoons of my life.
I've finished eating now, and you know what you can do? Rinse off in the sea. Yeah, we actually are sitting here. I know it's going to seem surreal a bit later on when we look at the footage, but we were here. Feet in water. The bananas are finished, so he brought us mango. Mango.
I think we won.
Oh, it's so sweet. Oh yeah, no, we definitely won on this one. Wait till the bananas are finished. We got a vlogger on the island.
TikTok, I reckon.
I think she might be an Instagrammer. Oh, it blew over. The stick blew over. Oh dear.
I'd love to see that.
That would be awesome.
Reculez pas, vous allez tomber dans l'eau.
Crazy, 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 crazy in Mauritius.
That's my Ricky in this madness.
If you have not experienced this yet in Mauritius, you are not allowed to leave. Come to Cap Malheureux for the wildest, most amazing time ever. And the food is great. So what are you waiting for?
What a fun day out. I'm going to put the camera down and come join you. Wow, Cap Malheureux. It might seem a little surreal, but you have to do it before you leave Mauritius. Well, everyone, thanks for watching. See you again next time. Wow.